Early in the morning, we're having English lessons with Minion. We're teaching him new words and old words like welcome to Jurassic Park. And I think the reason the other one has learned to talk is because while I'm sitting here talking to him, everyone's listening intently. So, the way I teach them to talk is I just tell them the words over and over. Ahoy there, Minion. Arr, pirate parrot. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Boop. Welcome to Jurassic Park. If you're happy and you know it, flap your wings. Boop, boop. Oh, good budgie. If you're happy and you know it, flap your wings. Boop, boop. If you're happy and you know it, then your beak will surely show it. Aw. If you're happy and you know it, flap your wings. Boop, boop. Good budgie. Good budgie boy. Adventure is out there. Put that thing back where it came from, or so help me. Put that thing back where it came from. So, I mean, that's all I do to teach him. And I sit here for a while, and it helps that he is very attentive. He's all itchy right now. But he comes in real close and he listens. Nitro is talking. Hi, Nitro. Are you gonna make that noise? Budgie? Are you Budgie? Nitro was... Minion, what's wrong with your face? Stop that. Anyways. So, yeah. Scary Fear is here. Scary Fear. I love you, Budgie. Ahoy there. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Spared no expense. Yeah, spared no expense. We'd have landed by the time you get it right. We'd have landed by the time you get it right. So, that's it. I mean, nothing special or difficult. That's how you teach budgies to talk.